Lolo. Lolo, you want to come out and play? Huh? You want to come play with your brother? Dolce, are you scared of your sister? Oh my goodness, Dolce, you're scared of your sister. Oh my goodness, what are we going to do? Dolce. Dolce. Dolce, what's your sister doing? Your sister wants to come play. Dolce, we can't go outside. It's storming. Little sister, go get your brother. Tell your brother I'm coming. I'm coming, big brother. Coming to play. Dolce, is that your sister? Is your sister playing? Oh, give her a big hug. Dolce, you're such a good big brother. You just hug your sister and she attacks you. Just give her a hug. Say, you're my sister. Uh-oh, is that thunder? Lolo. Lolo, get him, get him. Tell your big brother, I'm the new princess around here. You might be the king, but I'm the princess. Dolce, be nice. Lolo, give your brother a little kiss and be like, I'm the princess. I'm Princess Lolo. You probably heard about me. I know. Oh, Dolce. Oh, Dolce, you're such a good brother. Lolo, be nice. Dolce, don't hurt your sister. Dolce. Dolce. Tell Lolo, don't bite me. I'm still just a puppy, even though you think that I'm a big boy. I haven't had a birthday party yet, so I'm still just a puppy. Lolo, be nice to your brother. Don't eat him. Here, I thought Dolce was going to eat you, and you just might eat your brother. Lolo, what is your brother doing? Lolo, be a good girl. Don't hurt your brother. He's still just a puppy. Even though you think he's a big boy, he's just a puppy. Lolo, that's just a trash bag. That's a poopy bag. One day your brother will teach you how to go to the bathroom in one of these. Lolo, where are you? Dolce, where's your sister? Oh, there she is. There the little girl is. Lolo, what are you doing? Dolce, Dolce, Lolo. Be good. Lolo, don't bite him.